Welcome back to our travel channel, Tropical Paraíso. The holiday or Christmas season is just around the corner, and guess what? Filipinos are already on the hunt for the ultimate vacation destination. In this video, we've got an exciting update for you that's bound to get your travel bug buzzing. Google has spoken, and it turns out that Filipinos are eyeing this country as their dream year-end getaway. Stay tuned to find out what makes this country the top choice. Are you itching to escape the daily grind and immerse yourself in a culture that's both traditional and cutting edge? Well, you're not alone. The countdown to the most awaited vacation of the year is on, and Filipinos are already in planning mode. Google's latest report reveals that Tokyo, Japan is where the magic is happening this 2023. Tokyo isn't just any destination, it's the crown jewel of Japan and the most searched spot for travelers from the Philippines. That's right. Tokyo, with its dazzling mix of modernity and tradition, has snagged the top spot. But what's the hype all about? Let's dive in. Are you curious about what makes Tokyo the place to be this year? Well, we've got the scoop. Tokyo is a dazzling city where ancient temples and futuristic technology collide in a whirlwind of excitement. Whether you're a foodie, a history buff, or just seeking adventure, Tokyo has it all. Here are the top 10 lists of the most visited tourist spots in Tokyo, Japan. 1. Tokyo Skytree. Our first stop in this fantastic city is the Tokyo Skytree. Rising 634 meters into the sky, this iconic tower is a sight to behold. You can visit two observation levels, one at 350 meters and the other at 450 meters, both offering breathtaking views of Tokyo and even a glimpse of the iconic Mount Fuji. But even if you don't go inside, the exterior of the Tokyo Skytree is an architectural marvel in itself. 2. Tokyo Tower. Next up, we have the Tokyo Tower. Built in 1958, this 333-meter tall tower is a must-visit landmark. While it may draw inspiration from the Eiffel Tower, it symbolizes Japanese recovery after World War II.
Atom bomb number 2 is filmed from a super fortress many miles away.
You can explore its two observation decks. With the main deck at 150 meters, you can even climb 600 steps to get here, and the top deck at 250 meters. Don't forget to check out the lower floors at Foot Town, filled with unique shops and dining areas. 3. Sensoji. Now, let's head to the historic district of Asakusa to discover Sensoji, Tokyo's oldest temple. As you enter through the impressive Kaminarimon Gate, you'll find yourself on Nakamichi, a bustling 200-meter-long shopping street. Beyond Hosoman Gate, you'll encounter the temple's main hall and an elegant 5-story pagoda. Be sure to explore the Asakusa Shrine nearby, making Sensoji one of the best places to visit in Tokyo. 4. Disneyland and Disney Sea. If you're traveling with kids or just young at heart, you can't miss Disneyland and Disney Sea. Disneyland is filled with 7 themed lands, offering fun attractions, delightful entertainment, and a variety of restaurants and shops. Disney Sea, on the other hand, is a fantasy theme park inspired by the myths and legends of the sea. 5. Imperial Palace. Our next stop is the Tokyo Imperial Palace. Built on the site of the old Edo Castle, it's the main residence of the Emperor of Japan. Nijibashi Bridge, leading to the palace, is another famous site with a unique history. While the inner grounds of the palace are typically not open to the public, you can visit on special occasions, such as January 2nd and the Emperor's birthday on February 23rd. 6. Meiji Jingu. Let's take a break from the bustling city streets and visit Meiji Jingu, a serene shrine surrounded by a lush 175-acre forest. Built in honor of Emperor Meiji and Empress Shokin, this shrine offers a peaceful escape from the urban hustle and bustle. It's also a popular location for traditional Shinto weddings. 7. Ueno Park. For a taste of nature and culture, Ueno Park is a must-visit. It's one of the largest parks in Tokyo and home to the famous Ueno Zoo, Japan's oldest zoo known for its adorable pandas. While here, be sure to admire cherry blossoms and explore numerous museums, including the Tokyo National Museum, the National Museum for Western Art, the Tokyo Metropolitan Art Museum, and the National Science Museum. 8. Tokyo National Museum. The Tokyo National Museum, located in Ueno Park, is a treasure trove of art and archaeological artifacts. With over 100,000 individual items, including approximately 100 national treasures, it's Japan's oldest and largest museum. Explore its 6 separate buildings, each housing unique collections. 9. Shibuya. Now, let's dive into the vibrant heart of Tokyo, Shibuya. It's a bustling, neon-lit district filled with dining spots, shopping areas, and lively nightclubs. Shibuya Crossing, known as the busiest scramble crossing in the world, is an absolute must-see. During peak rush hour, it's crossed by an astonishing 3,000 people simultaneously. 10. Odaiba. Last but not least, we have Odaiba, located in South Tokyo. This entertainment and shopping district is situated on a man-made island in Tokyo Bay. You'll find everything from parties and fine dining to scenic bayside strolls. Don't forget to check out the replica Statue of Liberty and the stunning Rainbow Bridge, which lights up beautifully in the evenings. You know it's a hot destination when even the Japanese ambassador is thrilled. Koshikawa Kazuhiko expressed his delight at Filipinos' growing interest in Japan, and he can't wait to welcome you.
Mabuhay! My dear Filipino friends, thank you very much for your appreciation of Japan. Since the COVID-19 situation has improved, we have started to relax entry procedures. Now, you can enjoy the individual travel to our country. As the autumn approaches, we invite you to Japan and experience the best of the sea. Come and discover the many charms of Japan.
So, are you ready to turn those clicks and searches into your dream Japanese adventure? And here's the cherry on top. Just in case you needed more convincing, the Philippines recently claimed the top spot among ASEAN countries for tourist arrivals in Japan. Imagine that. More and more Pinoys are jetting off to the land of the rising sun, and you could be next. There you have it. Tokyo, Japan is the undisputed holiday destination champion for Filipinos in 2023. With its unique blend of tradition and innovation, it's no wonder everyone is excited. So, will you join the adventure? If you're looking for the perfect year-end escape, Tokyo is calling your name. Start packing those bags, because your dream vacation awaits in the heart of Japan's bustling metropolis. Don't miss out, and let's make 2023 a year to remember. If you enjoyed this update, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more exciting travel news, and share this with your fellow wanderlust-driven friends. As always, stay curious and stay adventurous.
Yeah.